y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Happiness, and I'm back with another video. This video I'm going to show you guys how I do the bald cap method so you can install a lace frontal wig. This wig was made by me on a sewing machine. I'll give you guys the details. Keep watching this video. So guys, let's get right into this video. I'll be using my got2b glue gel just to slip down my edges. Make sure your hair is slipped down so it's not in the way, and blow dry it on cool or medium heat. And just ignore my forehead, guys. I know I have a big forehead, okay? So I'll be trying out 2 wig caps today. First is the dark brown. I don't really like the dark brown, so I'll go with the beige cap. But this is way lighter than my skin tone, so I'll use Taylor Crown's lace tint in the shade caramel, and I'll spray it all over my cap and blow dry it. And look how it matches my skin tone. You can also use makeup if you want to. That works well too. So right now I'm just gonna pull down the cap. I'm gonna pull it down my forehead, over my ears too, and take my got2b free spray and just spray it directly on my hairline. You want to be careful when you do this because you don't want it to be everywhere. So try to hold the bottle close to your forehead. After you spray on your hairline, take your blow dryer and blow dry this on cool for about 2 to 5 minutes. Take your scissors and cut a straight line in the middle. Make sure your cap is completely dry and stiff before you do this process, because we're going to cut off this excess cap and you don't want it to be still wet. You have to make sure it's dry before you do this whole process. So you're going to start in the middle. We're going to cut as far back as possible because you want to cut close to your hairline so you don't have any excess lace showing, any of the excess cap. You don't want it to be showing, so just cut back as possible. What you can do, you can peel back as you go. Just peel it back a little bit as you go. And also take time when you do this process. As you can see, I don't want to cut my hair or hurt myself in the process of cutting the lace. After that is done, I'll go back in with my got2b free spray. I'll spray along the line where I just cut off the excess cap. When that is done, I'll just blow dry it, make sure it's dried, and I'm gonna clean out my forehead with alcohol. Now for the best part, let's talk about this wig, guys. This is a machine made wig. I made with 3 bundles of kinky straight hair with a 13 by 4 inch frontal. It's flawless, guys. I just love this wig that I made. Just take a look at the inside of this crown. It is beautiful, and I added an elastic adjustable band just in case I want to wear it as a glueless wig and not add any glue or anything. But just take a look at how it's perfectly sewed. I'm just trying the wig out for you guys so you can see that it is glueless. You can wear this without glue. It's not going to fall off your head. But today I am going to install this wig with Erica's J Hold Me Down adhesive. And these are all the other things I'll be using today. So now I'm going to apply the glue along my hairline, and I'm going to evenly spread it out. And I'm just going to use 1 layer of this glue for today's tutorial. When your glue turns clear like this, that's when you know it's okay for you to apply your lace frontal wig or your lace. So I'm going to apply my lace front wig, and you can see the ear tabs. They are not really laid down. I'll go back in with some glue and apply it on that area. Also make sure it turns clear before you lay it down. done, we are going to cut off the excess lace. I'm going to start in the middle, and I'm going to make sure that I cut as close to the hairline as possible, because I don't want the excess lace to show. So be careful when you do this process. You don't want to hurt yourself. You don't want to cut too much. You don't want to cut into the hair. So you want to be very careful when you do this. Back in with my got to be free spray, and just spray along the hairline and blow dry it. And I'm gonna section out some hair for baby hairs, if that makes sense. Then take your hairband or your hair wrap, whatever you have, and tie your hairline down just to secure it some more. I'll take it off for you guys to see how melted it looks. You can see it's so melted to my skin, and it's like my scalp. I'm going to do a middle part style for this tutorial today, and I'm going to apply some makeup where I actually parted the hair so it can look more natural. When that is done, I'll take the hair out of my face so I can do my baby hairs. I'm not too good at the baby hairs, so I'm just gonna, just do it as I go, just do it whatever way I can. If you have any tips, suggestions, so I can be good at doing this baby hair stuff, please leave it in the comment section. I'll be very, very grateful. I'll go back in with my scarf, and I'm gonna tie it down and go get my makeup done, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my makeup done, and I'm going to take out my scarf now. You can see how it looks melted into my skin. It looks so natural. This is my second time, guys, so rate this in store 1 to 10. How did you think I do? What did you think I did wrong? What I did right? Or what I forgot to do? Just let me know in the comment box. And so we've come to the end of this video, and I actually love this install. This is the second time I'm doing the lace frontal install on myself, and the second time I'm doing the bald cap method. The next, I'm going to do a glueless lace frontal install for you guys. So if you like my videos, don't forget to share, subscribe, hit that bell button, and like this video. Also, you can share with me your ideas, leave in the comment section, and just tell me what you think about this install. Also tell me how I can make it better. I love you guys. Thanks for watching till the end of this video.